Hello, today we are going to train your English voice with possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns shows ownership of something or tells us who it belongs to. Mine is for me. It's mine. Yours shows that you own it. Yours. So have a look at the first picture. The man is holding the book close. Belongs to him. So he says, the book is mine. It belongs to me. Have a look at the second picture. Sentence is, the book is yours. And he is showing that it belongs to you. The book is yours. Have a look at this comb. If it belongs to me, the comb is mine. If the comb belongs to you, the comb is yours. Another example. This is a mobile phone. If it belongs to me, I say, the mobile phone is mine. It's mine. If the mobile phone belongs to you, I say, the mobile phone is yours. It's yours. Excellent job with possessive pronouns. Well done. Goodbye.